Oh, hi! Welcome back to our vegan kitchen. It's dinner time!
Yay!
So tonight we're going to have a pretty simple dinner. We're having black beans over rice, but I'm extra.
We know.
Is that a good way to sum it up?
Yes.
I'm pretty extra. So I just don't want black beans over rice. I gotta have other stuff in it too. So in here already I have my 1 pound of dried black beans that I've already rinsed and made sure that there was no rocks in there, or as I like to call them,
good.
stinkers.
Oh, they look so cool. Zoom in.
Yes.
Wow.
Don't they though? So rich. I feel like Jack and the Beanstalk. I have the magic beans. Alright, I gotta put extra. So we got some sweet onion. We got 2 peppers, of which I found a baby in the pepper. So that can go in first. I don't know if I'm going to have room for all of this stuff. I always take out all this stuff for the Instant Pot, and then I realize I don't have room for it. So I have to edit a little bit, but...
Edit as you go.
Alright. I also have some carrots that I took out, but I don't know if the carrots and the mushrooms are both going to fit and suck up all the beans are going to expand. So you got to leave a little bit of extra room. I think we can get the carrots and the beans in there. That'd be nice because I really like carrots. Soft cooked carrots.
Oh yeah.
So let's dump them in there. You don't want to overfill the Instant Pot too much because then it won't come up to pressure. So that sucks. Maybe I won't put all of these mushrooms in. Let's see how many we can get in here. These are already sliced because these are for lazies like me. This is a whole pound of mushrooms. Can we get it all in? Yeah, we get it all in. All right, that's good because the only thing that we have to put in now is the liquids and the seasonings. So that's perfect. All right, so the way I season these is... Oh, I forgot these. Mild chilies. So let's crack this can open. All right, here we go. We got mild chilies going in. I like that. I like that. All right, we got to make these a little bit spicy, so we're going to be adding some harissa. If you don't like it spicy, you can add dark chili powder or chili powder. I don't want it too spicy, so I'm just going to put a tablespoon of that in. My family doesn't like spicy.
We like mild.
It gives the heartburn.
Yeah. I mean, some of us like it, but it doesn't like us.
We're also going to put in some oregano. Beautiful organic oregano. We're also going to put in some beautiful organic cumin. Is it cumin or is it cumin?
I just thought it was cumin.
Whoa. Little extra for free.
Or is it cumin?
I don't know.
I don't remember.
Or is it both?
I don't know.
I'm also going to put in some salt. That's probably like 1 teaspoon and a half. And then, because I like it nice and creamy, and I can't eat nuts anymore, so I need some healthy fats. So I'm going to put a little coconut cream in there. Oh no.
What? No!
I'm married to the coconut now.
Whoops.
Uh-oh. I guess I'm going to have to try and open it with this. Hope it works.
Why wouldn't it?
I don't know, because I think they do these cans a little bit different when they have the extra thing on it.
Let's see.
Yeah, they do.
Oh no.
You have to take a hammer and like... Psh.
I mean, what else can we do?
Maybe I could do it from this side.
Maybe.
Yeah, let's try that.
Oh, something's happening.
Yeah. Yeah, that worked.
Woo!
Thank goodness.
Nice save.
Yeah, I hate this can opener. It's so
what is
dumb.
That?
That's like the plastic or whatever that seals the can. All right, get in. Get in there. Sludge.
Sludge.
Yeah. All right, this is going to take a little bit to come out. Need a little coaxing. Oh, damn, that's in there. It's hard.
Oh my goodness.
I know. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to boil some water, and this needs water added to it anyway, so I'm just going to put the boiling water on the coconut cream, and it should melt it a little bit.
We'll leave you to it.
Okay. All right. The other side of the can came off. So we just pushed it through. Imagine if I had put the boiling water in there and then picked it up and the thing came off.
Oh
and
my
it would have
God.
went everywhere.
That would have been bad.
I also reminded me that I forgot to put in the garlic. So we're putting in a tablespoon of the granulated garlic as well. I like garlic.
Oh, yeah.
Hello. All right. So now we're going to put in... It's almost boiling. It's pretty good. We're going to put in enough water to reach the maximum line on the Instant Pot. And I'm using a 6-quart. So it's just to the where the mushrooms come over there. And pretty perfect. Maybe just a little bit more. And that's all we're going to put in there. We're going to take it over. Oh, look, I have some more water here. Perfect.
Look at that.
Oh. All right. See, not too much more. So we can take this over to the Instant Pot covering. And we're going to do manual. But we're going to do 25 minutes under high pressure. So we're going to put our valve to closed, not venting. And when this comes up to pressure, it's going to cook for 25 minutes. And then when it says, I'm all done, don't open it. We're going to do a natural release. And when the little thingy over here goes back down like it is now, because when it's cooking, it comes up. When it goes back down, then we'll be ready to eat. Simple. All right.
I look like a mess. My hair has been bad all day. This smells so good, though.
Was it tantalizing you the whole time while it was cooking?
Yeah, I was upstairs and I was just like, ooh!
Yeah.
That's nice.
So this was on a natural release for about 30 or so minutes. Mm-hmm. And let's see what you think.
Bo!
Bowie said, I want to try.
Yeah.
I have served it over rice. Mm-hmm. And also put a little fresh avocado and some mild salsa.
Oh, yeah.
And you don't like black beans.
No, but this is really good.
Because it has the extra stuff.
No, but all the other stuff is good, too.
Okay.
The mushrooms and the carrots.
Yeah. Bowie says, you better try it. You better try it or else. Right? He said, yeah. All right, stop it, sir.
All right, so that's another recipe in the books. Let us know what you thought. Let us know if you give it a try. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Give it a thumbs up. I'm giving you guys a lot of instructions. And thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. And until then, much love.